Let's go, everyone. Today, unboxing this ivoler screen protector glass. So this is for a Nintendo Switch 2. Got the spare one from a friend, that's why it's open already. Instructions on the left. Yep, here's the screen protector. Wow. Wow. I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can get this from. Comes with wipes, dust absorber, all that good stuff. Yeah, I heard it's a good set. It came with like a pack of 2, so that's why I was given one by a friend for my Switch 2. Alright everyone, hope you're doing well. Let me know what you guys think of this and the Switch 2 in the comments section below. Catch you all for the next random unboxing video. Later.